Uttar Pradesh's Kanpur district, a controversy has erupted after police filed an FIR against 25 Muslims over a signboard that read, "I love Muhammad." The incident took place during a Miladun-Nabi procession on 4th September, when members of a Hindutva outfit demanded the removal of the banner. Tensions escalated, but the dispute was resolved peacefully after community leaders agreed to remove the signboard. However, 5 days later, police registered an FIR under charges of promoting enmity and unlawful assembly, naming 9 men and leaving 15 unidentified. Officials allege it was a planned attempt to disrupt communal harmony. The move has drawn sharp criticism. AIMIM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi declared that loving Prophet Muhammad is not a crime, while Mufti Muhammad Yunus Raza condemned the case as a violation of constitutional rights and called for its immediate withdrawal. Community leaders argue the police action reflects bias and threatens religious freedoms, turning a simple expression of devotion into a criminal offense.